Hi guys, got a minute? It's Maria, and today I'm making an easy peach cake. This cake is tender, moist, and full of juicy peaches with a delicious cinnamon sugar topping, and it's not overly sweet, so you can really enjoy the flavor of the peaches. Here are the ingredients you'll need: vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, milk, melted butter, 1 egg, 1 egg yolk, baking powder, salt, granulated sugar, and of course fresh juicy peaches. And for a little extra flavor, we'll finish it with some cinnamon sugar. While the oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, let's prepare a cake pan. I'm using avocado oil spray, but butter works just as well. Then we'll dust it with a little flour and set it aside. Next, in the small bowl, let's toss our 2 cups of chopped peaches with 1 teaspoon of flour and set them aside. Now, in a medium bowl, let's combine our dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Give everything a good whisk and set it aside. Now in a large bowl, we'll add 1 large egg yolk, 1 large egg, and half a cup of granulated sugar. Using a mixer on low to medium speed, beat for about 3 to 5 minutes until light and fluffy. Slowly add half a cup plus 1½ tablespoons of melted and cooled butter while continuing to stir. You can melt the butter in the small saucepan over low heat or in the microwave in 30-second intervals. Just be sure to let it cool before adding it. Next, add half a cup of room temperature milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until everything is well combined. Now gradually add our flour mixture and mix just until combined. The batter will be quite thick. Gently fold in the chopped peaches. I'm using fresh peaches today, but you can also use canned or frozen peaches. Then transfer the batter to our prepared cake pan and spread it out evenly. Now let's sprinkle our cinnamon sugar evenly on top. I'm using a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar mixed with 2 to 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. If you have any left over, store it in an airtight container for another use. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Mine took about 40 minutes. Once it's baked, let the cake cool completely before removing it from the pan. I actually made this cake 2 or 3 days ahead for a family gathering, and I was a little worried it might have dried out in the refrigerator, but it didn't. Everyone commented on how moist it was, and they all loved it. You can serve this cake just as it is or add a little whipped cream or a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Either way, it's delicious. This is so good. The peaches are so juicy and I love that it's not overly sweet. If you enjoyed this recipe, I have lots of other easy dessert recipes you might enjoy too. I'll leave a link to my dessert playlist in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.